Fans were blown away when Fame Frequency revealed its look on Saturday night. The set was fully decked out in balloon art for Fame 95 FM's birthday party. Fans were amazed by the one-of-a-kind balloon DJ booth, with Fame flames, balloons cascading across the big screen, and the interactive VIP screen. And to top it off, a specialized Fame 95 FM birthday cake. Fame personality and comedian Dufton Duffy Shepherd was all energy for his debut on Fame Frequency as he took partygoers through an epic night.
One Rasta and one lady in red. They're gonna cut the cake on the sound of three. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So like we're gonna cut the cake right now. We're gonna keep the party going.
Three of Fame 95 FM stalwarts, DJ Denvo, DJ Kevin, and the Captain Colin Hines, had the sea of red partygoers moving to hits of the past when they became famous to present how it's going now.
When I became famous, DJ Denvo, and this is definitely that time, eh? When you became famous, all right. The oldest active member of Fame, still on team. I've been here for a while, still at the top of my game, still repping for the brand, and pretty much all of my working life, except maybe 5 or 6 or 7 years, has been on radio and on one radio station. So it's good to be here celebrating another milestone. I used to listen to the station when I was just out of high school and in high school. It's full circle. And it's a good vibe.
The vibes transcended the screen as the energy could be felt all over social media, on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, with views reaching 17,000 on RETV's YouTube channel, more fans on TVJ, RETV's cable channel, and listening on Fame 95 FM. Special market of a Fame Frequency spoke to the success of Fame as a party station and hinted at plans for next week.
To just take the time to big up all DJs that work on Fame 95 FM, big up all the producers that work on Fame 95 FM, all the people behind the scenes that make the entertainment product that we enjoy on the radio, the awesome product it is. I mean, Fame is the #1 party station. Nobody can take that from them. And it takes that team to make it happen. So next week, we're supposed to be having a performance from the Raving King, Mr. Ding Dong himself, courtesy of Grace, who has come on board as a sponsor for the month of April. And we appreciate all our sponsors. Have to say a massive big up to Smirnoff that has been supporting this event and this venture from its inception in March of 2020. We love you, Smirnoff. We appreciate your support and we thank you for being with us for all of 53 weeks now.
Yes, the Flairy himself. Can't wait. I'm Daytran reporting for E-Prime.